This is my fifth lecture of class 12 chemistry. Today we will learn the difference between molecularity and order of reaction. Molecularity and order. It is the number of molecules of reactants taking part in elementary step of reaction. Molecularity means number of molecules, ions, atoms of reactant that take part in elementary chemical reaction are called molecularity. Order. It is sum of power of the concentrating terms on which the rate of reaction actually depends. Molecularity is theoretical concept, whereas order of reaction is experimentally determined. Molecularity can neither be zero or fractional. It is always a natural number. But order of reaction can be zero, fractional or integer. Molecularity can never be negative, whereas order of reaction may have negative value. Molecularity, it is assigned for each elementary step of mechanism. Order of reaction assigned for overall reactions means order of reaction depends on overall reactions, but molecularity of the reaction assigned for each elementary step of mechanism. It is independent of pressure and temperature, means molecularity is independent of temperature and pressure, whereas order of reaction is depends upon pressure, temperature and concentration of. Law of mass action states that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of the reactant. If a reactant present in large excess quantity, means in large quantity, then order of reaction with respect to that reactant is taken to be zero. For example, when reactant A and B react, then P is 4. When reactant B is taken as in large excess amount, then order for reactant B is taken 0. And molecularity is 2 because two molecules, one of A and other is B, is take part in chemical reaction. That is why molecularity is 2, but order of reaction, overall order of reaction is taken to be 1 because order for reactant reactant A is 1 and order for reactant B is 0. So overall order of reaction is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Now molecularity, if molecularity is 2, then bimolecular reaction or dimolecular reaction. If number of molecularity is 3, then name of reaction is termolecular reaction, and when molecularity is 4, 5. Then polymolecular reaction. Chemical reaction. Generally two types of chemical reaction: elementary or simple reaction, or complex reaction. Elementary reaction. Chemical reaction which occurs in one step is called elementary reaction. Or chemical reaction in which all the reactant particles collide at a time to give final product is called elementary reaction. Suppose three reactant A, B, C react and collide at a time to form a product D. Such reactions are called elementary reaction. Pseudo-molecular reaction. Elementary reaction whose order and molecularity are not equal is called pseudo-molecular reaction. Means those reactions in which order and molecularity of reaction are not equal, such reaction are called pseudo-molecular reaction. And pseudo first order reaction. Those chemical reaction whose molecularity is 2 but order of reaction is 1 is known as pseudo first order reaction. Means those chemical reaction whose molecularity is 2 but order of reaction is 1, such reaction are called pseudo first order reaction. Now some example of pseudo first order reaction. When ester dissolved in large excess amount of water, then it breaks into RCOOH plus R dash OH. When here R is alkyl group, when R is taken CH3 and R dash is taken C2H5, then this formula is formed. And when this compound dissolved in large excess amount of water, then it splits into acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. So in this case, here two molecules take part in reaction. So molecularity of this is 1 and molecularity for this is also 1. So molecularity is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 because two molecules are take part in reaction. Rate dx by dt is directly proportional to this compound CH3 COO C2H5. Concentration for this compound is 1 and this is in large excess amount. That is why concentration for this compound will be 0. So overall order of reaction is equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Same as in example number 2, hydrolysis of sucrose. When sucrose dissolved in large excess amount of water, then it splits, break down into glucose and fructose. So molecularity for this reaction is 2 because one molecule of sucrose and for one molecule of water. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Molecularity is 2. But rate is dx by dt is directly proportional to concentration of sucrose. Concentration of sucrose is 1 and concentration for this power of concentration for water is 0 because water present in excess amount. So overall order of reaction for this equation is 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Okay, rest.